The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Ellis County and north central Texas until 7:45 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles east of Palmer, moving south at 10 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near at around 7:40 p.m., but well around 7:45 p.m.